Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to explore a game-changing feature of AI that allows you to create a PowerPoint presentation in just one click. So we are creating a PPT with the help of a website that name is gamma.ai. So let's search gamma.ai. Gamma AI PowerPoint generation feature is a time-saving tool that leverages the power of artificial intelligence to automatically generate professional-looking presentation in seconds. Whether you are a student, a business professional, or anyone in need of quick presentation, Gamma AI has got you covered. To access the PowerPoint generation tool, simply sign up to your Gamma AI account. You can easily create your account with the help of Google. So this is the main homepage of Gamma AI website. I have created many PPTs on this website. You can see here. So let's create a PPT with the help of AI in just 1 minute. You can create your PPT in just one line prompt. So click on generate section and describe your PPT subject in one line. So I will make a PPT on save environment. You can also change the cards. I want 8 cards PPT, so I will create 8 cards PPT. You can also change your PPT language. Here many languages are there: Hindi, Chinese, and English also. So click on generate outline. You can also add or remove the topic of your subject. If you want brief explanation in your PPT, so you can click on that brief. So let's continue. Gamma AI also offers a range of customization options to personalize your presentation further. From choosing different themes to adding your favorite colors, you can tailor the presentation to suit your preference and needs. So I like this green theme, so I will apply this theme to my presentation. There are many themes. Once you are satisfied with your input and customization, simply click the generate button and watch as Gamma AI works its magic. In just a matter of seconds, your PowerPoint presentation will be ready. Gamma AI's intelligent algorithms will then analyze your input and generate a customized PowerPoint presentation based on your content. So here we go, our presentation is ready. Take a moment to review the generated presentation to ensure everything looks good. You can also edit your PPT presentation in that website. You can change or delete the images or add the images. You can edit or also add the text in your PPT presentation. If you are happy with the result, click the share button to download the PPT presentation to your device. Here is the option export to PowerPoint. Click on that and your PPT will be downloaded in your device or mobile. So our PPT is downloaded. And there you have it. With Gamma AI's PowerPoint generation feature, creating professional presentations has never been easier. Whether you are pressed for time or just looking for a hassle-free solution, Gamma AI has got your back. So why wait? Create your PPT in just one click with the help of Gamma AI.